Thanksgiving from our family to yours, and we're gonna celebrate Thanksgiving. We're going to my sister's house. And look at this. Everybody's lingering around, getting ready. But look, at least everybody's ready at the same time. And then the usual, the miss doing a photo shoot. Cause you know how it is. It's a girl thing, I guess. Right, Yuli? Yuli! Yuli's not going, Yuli's staying. So, more pictures? One more? Okay. So, I guess we're gonna go today, spend time with the family at my sister's house. And the best part of the whole thing is, we get to eat lots of food. Let's go with the show. Con familión. And one more time, happy Thanksgiving. And thanks for giving. Oh, let me give you guys an update on the new addition to the family. Let me give you guys a quick update. Look at it. She's actually just finished breastfeeding them, and they're all relaxing, and she's relaxing. So we made this little pen for her so Yuli and King don't bother her. All right, and normally everybody kind of contributes when it's Thanksgiving, right? So I get the sweet part. I get all the sweets. For the show, I got the good thing. So, there we go. We need a bag. And well, guys, you know how it is. In about 20 pictures or so, she only liked 2 of them. That's the one I posted. But now we're gonna jump in the car and head over to my sister's house. And I don't know if you guys feel the same way, but these holidays doesn't really feel like holidays. I guess everything been so strange lately, but I guess we have to adjust and keep going forward and try to make the best of it with family and friends. And look at this. Yuli said, I'm not staying, I'm going too. So he actually snuck out the door and jumped in the car almost before us. And what me and Olguita try to do is we sometimes spend Thanksgiving with my family, and sometimes we spend Thanksgiving with her family, because both of our family are really big when we all manage to get together. And we have reached my sister's house, and she lives about 10 to 15 minutes away from me, north. And just to add more to that strange feeling for the holidays, only a few family members showed up. I'm gonna record the best part. How many people are you expecting? About 150? My God. Ooh, I like this blue. Yeah. It's pretty cool. Oh, that's a honey ham? Yeah. Most people buy it. You made it?
I made it. You made it.
Was it?
I did a Creole.
Pretty good. Oh, you live back here. The hangout spot. It's pretty cool right here. I haven't done barbecue here in a long time. And I don't know if this happens to you guys, but when I get to a party and I see so much food, I want to taste everything. And that's actually really bad, because by the time you're halfway to the party or the gathering, your stomach is upside down. But I guess I can't help myself, because everything looks so good and I want to taste it.
It's coming off. It's coming off the bone. Tender.
Well, which way of making it? What do you call that way of making it like that?
This?
Yeah.
I put infused butter and Creole.
No. I never seen a turkey done in a pot like that.
Oh, you see? The bone comes right off.
So what is it called?
I guess it's like an oven baked, you know.
Hot turkey roast?
Yeah. But it's cooked for a long time, so the
Yes.
meat comes right off. Mia?
La perdí.
Oh my God.
This is green bean chocolate.
Loaded.
Alright. So this is called a 10-pound party?
Yep.
Yeah, you eat and you gain 10 pounds?
Yep, and then you lose it when you get home.
Yep.
No, y ahora le digas, ¡ey! Y le dio un besito.
¿Cuánto tiempo, Gaby? ¿Cuánto tiempo?
Okay, and here comes the moment of truth. How did the turkey taste? Well, it tasted different, but good. Because I've had turkey many different ways, like the traditional roasted, or deep fried, or even done, that I want to call it the Cuban way. It's when they cook the turkey like it's a chicken, and they make turkey stew. But never the way my sister did it this time. And I guess everybody liked the flavor because no one complained. But now, once the food part is over, we're gonna get to the good stuff. You know what's the good stuff? What Oquita loves the most. And what is that? The sweet part of the party. That I'm gonna blame it on her, but I can't lie, I love it too.
Okay, flan.
Yes.
I like the way you think. I'm gonna get the little piece that you left. Because that's too much sweet. You get like a food.
De aquí? De aquí?
No, that's it. That's enough.
Here, let me get one.
You want some too?
Yo voy a coger, yo creo que un
Pedacito de
pedacito.
hielo, mamá, porque me lo voy a... Your mom can eat this.
No. Of course you can.
Yo no voy deep.
Well guys, like I keep saying it, this is the best part of the party because it's food and it's sweet. But I got to the point that it was too much sweet because I had cheesecake, flan, and some fruit cocktail, and it was like I had a sugar overdose, so I had to maybe slow down a little bit, but it tastes so good I didn't want to stop. And like you notice, there's people around me doing the same thing, and I don't want to say any names because she says I pick on her on the videos when it comes to eating sweets. Well, the dessert part was awesome, but now we're gonna try something that's really hard to do, especially when you have too many people, and that is get everybody together to take a family picture. Well, at least to the ones that showed up, because a lot of my cousins and other family members didn't come.
Can you hide my feet?
Well guys, we took about 10 pictures and all that came out, everybody making faces, but it's okay though. I guess it's the thought that counts, right? But you know what? It turned out to a pretty good Thanksgiving dinner. But now don't go away because we're going to the west side. Alright guys, so we made it to the west side and it's late Friday night. But we're here though. It feels like I'm on an eating convention from yesterday to today. And I'm gonna take you guys for more food. Right now we're making ceviche. A quick recap on the ceviche. Green, red peppers, bell peppers, onions, and we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 lemons or limes, and then we got the fish. Here we go. We got the fish that we're actually defrosting. We brought it over here to the west coast. Okay, so now we just finished eating, and it's time to do more work. What kind of work you doing now?
Cutting the fish for the ceviche.
All right, so she's cutting little tiny pieces right there. And then we already got, like I said before, we got the onions, red bell peppers, green bell peppers, and lots of lime juice.
Cilantro.
And cilantro, my bad. And now, it's time to put the fish, well, cut the fish. So she working it. She working it. And this is gonna
to the best of my abilities.
Oh, she's working to the.
Considering my knife is not
Yeah, it's not 100% sharp. Too much juice. All right, so it's time to throw it in the juices. She's gonna throw those pieces of fish in the juices. Oh, that's a lot of fish. That's a lot of ceviche. I guess we'll be eating ceviche for a few days.
See, let's see.
Okay, you know what? We're gonna count, see how many days the ceviche gonna last.
Like 1 second.
1 second. Now come on. I'll say I'm gonna go 3 days. Yeah. Well, you gonna eat some too?
I mean, Joel eats the whole thing.
Yeah, Joel's the one that eats it like it's potato chips. Joel's like that shark from the movie Nemo. That he wants to eat all the fish. Now you're throwing some
A little
salt,
bit more salt.
pepper, salt and pepper. Push it, push it. Uh-oh. She jamming to the sound.
Mi suegro dice,
What
my
happened?
father-in-law,
Says
that he puts garlic.
garlic in there.
Yeah.
I'll put it in. Wanna try it? Just a little bit. I don't know how it's gonna taste with garlic.
Esto.
A little bit, I guess.
Como un chorrito.
No, muy poquita sazón.
No, tú verás ahora cuando yo revuelva.
No, don't put that much. Don't put,
Yeah.
So now you mix it up because remember it's raw fish, but the lemon,
Okay, we have to put more
the
than
lemon's gonna actually cook the fish, and that's why now once you store it all up, you gotta wait at least 2 hours or 3 hours, right? More or less. Well, you'll see the fish turn white, and that's when you know the fish is cooked. Because right now it's kind of
Let's
pinkish.
Squeeze all those lemons in
We
here.
gotta squeeze more lemon.
Oh yeah.
We got more lemon right here to squeeze. So you'll see that.
No.
So you'll see later on how the fish turns white when it starts to cook.
It's already turning white, and I just put.
All right, so there you go, guys. We just squeezed at a total of 10 limes, and now we're gonna let it sit for like an hour, 2 hours. We're gonna cover it, and then you'll see once you uncover it after that 2 hours, you'll see that the fish is already turning white. But when it turns really white, that means the acid from the lemons, from the lime, it's cooking the meat. That's how you do it. So once, I guess, if I have time tonight, we'll taste it. If not, we'll show you tomorrow or during the day or whatever happens. Or maybe we'll take it as a snack on the boat. You never know. So there you go. Ceviche. So there you go, guys. Something simple and quick if you love eating fish. And this is best done with triggerfish because the meat is a little harder and it gives it a better texture. But we didn't catch any that night, so we had to do it with the jacks that we already had. All right, now this is the final touch for the night. This is what my sister made yesterday at Thanksgiving. What is it called?
I think it was your aunt, no?
Oh, my bad. My aunt made this. This is a fruit cocktail, right? And I love this. It tastes delicious.
Yeah, that has a lot of calories. Condensed milk, Cool Whip.
This is the best right here. My goodness gracious. It was good. I had a lot last night, but I told her, listen, I need for today. And she gave me a pot full. Well, guys, that's it for Thanksgiving and the following night. And I hope you guys had the chance to spend Thanksgiving with your loved ones. And like I said before, the holidays doesn't feel like holidays anymore. But you gotta try our best and keep going forward. And remember, tomorrow is always gonna be a better day. And enjoy every moment you have. And talking about tomorrow, make sure to tune in because we have more videos coming up when we did some late afternoon barbecuing and fishing. So Fresco doesn't want to leave because he feels lucky.
Literally, we're chilling.
And how cool is this? We got a special visit from a special fan. And we got to witness another beautiful sunset on the west side. All that and more is coming up tomorrow, so stay tuned.